So here's behind my house, this bank I've been digging out for a while now. But I got this dead tree up here. Right there. Focus. Dead tree right there. It keeps dropping all the limbs and stuff when I mow up here. So I'm gonna be taking out this dead tree. My plan, I hope, I'm gonna be able to cut this down right here and drop it in the upper field and use my tractor to pull it up the hill down this ramp and just push it over the bank there without having to cut it up. When I first got my tractor, the woods used to come to right here, and I cut all this stuff back to make this field up here bigger, and I got some stumps I'm gonna dig up with the backhoe later. But for now, that dead oak right there, get it on the ground. Success. That thing's a lot harder in the center than I thought. It ain't totally rotted out. It's still pretty solid in the center. So I think try to chop it in half, like right here, hook a chain to it, and hopefully be able to pull half the tree up, take it down there. I want to do the least amount of cutting as possible, and I don't need it for firewood or anything. So woo, glad I wasn't standing over there. Cut it in half, drag the two halves down the hill. So let's see how big this thing is. It's still pretty solid in the center. About 18 inches or so. got the saw stuck. I know it'll pull this down the hill, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull this up the hill to get it around that tree, but we'll find out shortly. Barely got enough room here. Come on. There we go. I think just one. Oh, I'll probably do it. See how this works out. You could see the front lifted the tree off, but I had a blowout on the back tire a while back and I lost all the fluid out of this tire. This tractor is now 4 years old and both sides done the exact same thing when I went to go check the air pressure. As soon as you twist the cap to take it off, check the air pressure, the whole core and everything comes out of these things. That tire over there still has fluid in it, but when I was pushing this thing, this tire was almost off the ground, the other one was still touching. It was like crab walking, the back was like going sideways, so I need to get this other tire filled up. But it lifted this. Tell you what, that is pretty steep angle. I'm glad I got wheel spacers. It still felt really tippy there, but I don't know about this one. I need to pull it up the hill to where it'll clear this tree and that tree. I don't think it's going to do it, but I'll give it a try. I got it moved off that stump enough now. I think I can hook here and pull this way. It was lifting the front tires off a little bit. It's kind of sketchy. And these CX2510s, they actually have a 35 horsepower engine on them. They're just detuned to 25 horsepower, so they don't have to have the DEF fluid and a different level of emissions. As soon as this thing hits 200 hours and do my 200-hour service, I'm going to turn this thing back up to 35 horsepower because it's weak in high gear, and you heard right there, it's like the engine kind of dies out whenever it's under a really big load. So you cut a cap off and you pull it off, then you can turn in the fuel screw in and out and give it more fuel. Then you take out 2 shims out of the injection pump to increase the timing. Then you're back to a 35 horse tractor. So the 35 horse and this one share the same engine. This one's just detuned, lower timing and lower fuel. Come on, you little devil. There we go. Tell you what, logging on a sideways bank on a little tractor is kind of scary. So there's the CX2510 doing a little bit of logging. Yeah, there you go. Worked pretty good, just like I thought. Cut the tree in half, pulled it down, made a little slip and slide there. I just need to go up there and get all that brush up, but yeah, decent little logger. Just out of curiosity, I was wondering if it'd lift this, so I went and put the pallet forks on it, and yeah, it will. 18-inch oak. I'll pull the tape measure out and see how long it is here. Got the tape measure on it all the way at the end there, all the way down here, about 22.5 foot, and it's 18 inches wide. So pretty cool. Surprised me, I didn't think it was gonna lift that.